Welcome to this video. Are you interested in why your vehicle diagnosis displays B25B1-11? How is the error code interpreted by the vehicle? What does B25B1-11 mean, or how to correct this fault? Today we will find answers to these questions together. Let's do this. First, let's look at the history of diagnostic fault code composition according to the OBD2 protocol, which is unified for all automakers since 2000. We divide the electric system of automobile into the four basic units: powertrain, body, chassis, network. This distribution is defined in the first character code. If the second character is expressed as 0, it is a standardized error. In the case of numbers 1, 2, 3, it is a more prestigious expression of the car-specific error. The third character specifies a subset of errors. The distribution shown is valid only for the standardized DTC code. Only the last two characters define the specific fault of the group. The add-on to the error code serves to specify the status in more detail. For example, a short to the ground. Let's not forget that such a division is valid only if the other character code is expressed by the number 0. Our website airbagreset.sk produces useful videos for you. You do not have to go through the OBD2 protocol anymore to know how to troubleshoot any car breakdown. You will find all the diagnostic codes that can be diagnosed in a Chrysler vehicles. Also many other useful things. The following demonstration will help you look into the world of software for car control units. You unbelievably can move the video a bit further. The error code is split into 2 bytes consisting of 16 bits. 1 bit is the basic unit that each computer works with. The bit has 2 logical states: 0, low level, 1, high level. By combining the first 2 bits, the basic character of the error code is expressed. The next 2 beats again determine the second character. The last beat styles of the first byte define the third character of the code. The second byte is composed of a combination of 8 bits. The first 4 bits determine the fourth character of the code. And the combination of the last 4 bits defines the fifth character. A single byte conceals 256 possible combinations. We now know in what way the diagnostic tool translates the received information into a more comprehensible format. The number itself does not make sense to us if we cannot assign information about it to what it actually expresses. So, what does the diagnostic trouble code B25B1-11 interpret specifically for Chrysler car manufacturers? The basic definition is fuel system Monitoring-Lambda adaptation. And now this is a short description of this DTC code. The fuel system diagnostic utilizes 2 separate monitors. The first monitor assesses the percentage of the long-term fuel adaptation. The second monitor assesses the percentage of the short-term FT's physical limits. The short-term FT monitor is enabled in every engine state except for DFCO. The long-term FT monitor is enabled during its learning process and is inhibited during EVAP canister purge phases. Therefore, an additional learning process can be initiated when large short-term FT deviations occur, and the assessment can be executed. Separate counters are started for both assessments when neither a lean condition nor a ridge condition is detected. The end diagnostic counter is decremented from a calibratable value to 0, and a passing decision is made when a lean condition is present and the total fuel control exceeds the calibrated threshold value. A time counter is incremented when the time counter exceeds the calibrated threshold value. A lean error is set when a ridge condition is present and the total fuel control falls below the calibrated threshold value. A time counter is incremented when the time counter exceeds the calibrated threshold value. A ridge error is set. The time counters are incremented while the lambda controller or the lambda adaptation exceeds minimum or maximum threshold values. A malfunction is detected as soon as one of the time counters reaches its respective maximum value. This diagnostic error occurs most often in these cases: Oxygen sensor before catalytic converter is faulty. Oxygen sensor behind catalytic converter is faulty. Oxygen sensor heater before catalytic converter is faulty. Oxygen sensor heater behind catalytic converter is faulty. Check circuits for shorts to each other, ground or power circuit short to ground. This subtype is used for failures where the control module measures ground battery negative potential for greater than a specified time period or when some other value is expected. The Airbag Reset website aims to provide information in 52 languages. Thank you for your attention and stay tuned for the next video.